Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change one page from landscape to portrait in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change one page from landscape to portrait in this document. We create some page. Now we can see here the all page landscape. Now we want to change the landscape document in one page portrait. Click the first page and go to the layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous. Then go to the second page and click orientation option, choose portrait. Now we can see we change one page from landscape to portrait very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.